How to create your own RSS feed. We're going to create our own RSS feed that we can send out to feed readers all across the internet. This version is a simple version and it requires manual updating because we are not attaching it to any server database, but it is easy and it's a fun way to learn a little bit of code. That's used mainly for static websites, and I use mine for my e-commerce store. There's also a world of possibilities when you take a tool that's this simple and you can combine it with other tools. Basically just let your creativity with this tool do its thing. So now let's go create our feed. RSS feeds are XML language, so the first thing we have to do in a simple text editor such as Notepad is to make it an XML document and designate it as an RSS feed using this code to start our feed with. And then we open a channel. It's like a radio station or a television station that all the items, the news items, but we have to give the channel its name, which is the title of your website, the link to your website, description of your website, and whatever language you want your feed in. And then each news piece is an item. We have to set the item in between the item open tags and item close tags. It includes a title for the news item, includes the link to the news item, description, and a closing tag. And then once we get our items constructed, we have to close the document with the close the channel and then close the RSS tag. And now we have to save it. Save it somewhere on your hard drive. You have to save it. You can give it any name you want, but I would always suggest feed XML, feed.xml, because it's easy to remember. We save it as an all files type. And of course, encoding is UTF-8. And now we have to let the browsers know, we have to put a pointer in so that they'll put that little icon up in the address bar so people can click on it to subscribe to our feed. Otherwise, we'd have to give them the link to our feed, which is the name of the file in the server. We want to put this code modified for your purposes, such as the location of the feed and the title. We want to put this stuff between the head and the opening head tag and the closing head tag on any page you want that icon to show up, and this will point to that document that you've published to your server, which is the feed.xml file. And once you push on that and subscribe, looky there. In my reader, there's my two items. Now, to update your feed, whenever you have new items that you want to put on, the easiest way to do it is just to copy one of the items in your feed already, including the open item and close item tags, and paste it above the first item in your feed, and this will be read. The readers will see this as the freshest item in your feed. This will be the one that will be listed first. And then we change the pertinent information, the title of the item, the link to where the item can be found, and the description between the two tags, open description and closed description tag, can be an excerpt, or it can be the full content. We can put image files locations in this, all kinds of things. And then you just save it and then publish it to your server, to the root of your domain, and we're good to go. So there is your simple RSS feed. Blog happy.